All right, moving forward, in lessons 4 and 5, we are using the same idea of these new lines of code for velocity, but we're applying it to different attributes of our sprite. For lesson 3, we used X. For lesson 4, we're going to use Y. And for lesson 5, we're using rotation. So for this one, we have a feather that we want to float down the screen. Well, X wouldn't make sense because X goes left and right. We want to use Y because we want it to go down the screen. So what we'll do is we'll grab sprite.velocity_y instead, put it inside our draw loop, rename the variable to whatever it was called, in this case feather, and set a speed. Set it to 5, reset it and run, and it will float down the screen. Instead of having to do feather.y equals feather.y plus 5, we can just say feather.velocity_y equals 5. If we go to lesson 5, we're doing the exact same idea, but instead of doing x or y, we're talking about rotation. We would have to do sprite.rotation equals sprite.rotation plus or minus whatever. And that always took a little bit of time, and it always let us easily make some mistakes. So in this case, I've already done it. I have variable sun created. I've got my function draw loop, and inside I've got sun.rotation speed equals 25. That makes my sun spin. I can change the speed, even make it a negative number, and it can spin a different speed and a different direction. You can use this, and it goes a whole lot faster than doing it the way we've done with the counter pattern, but it does the exact same thing.